Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, check this out, isn't this beautiful? Today, I'm going to show you how to create or make your TV into a digital picture frame. As you can see, I've uploaded a whole plethora of my own creations of my own art onto my huge TV. So now I have a 60 odd inch picture frame into my middle of the living room that I can add, photos of my family to as well whenever I get new pictures, so I can show it off and have a nice little family event, or just have a nice little ambient background of my digital art. So if you can see, I'm Googling digital picture frame at this moment. And if you want to see the prices, well, they're pretty incredible. I mean, $150 for 11 by 14, $90 for a 22-inch one. I mean, it just gets worse and worse and worse. You can see how, $400, $500 for the simplest of things. Now, if you already own a Google Chromecast, there it is. You've done it. But look at this. A Google Chromecast is only going to cost you $35. $35, not 200, not 3,000, whatever it is. And you can plug it into your TV. Now, I can probably guarantee you that your TV, if you own one, is much, much larger than 11 by 12 or 12 by 12. And if you go to any store, you can buy a TV for 200 bucks. That's like 30, 40, 50-inch TV at that point. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google Photos and you're going to create an album. If you already have a Google Chromecast, perfect. If not, get one. You're going to go to your album. You're going to upload some pictures. Just click select from computer or however you'd like to upload it and pick some pictures that you have. I'm going to pick my gallery images of my art so I can add that to my already existing art photos that I do keep on my TV as we speak. So after a short time of it loading, you'll see it pop up on your Google Albums. Name it however you'd like. And then what you're going to do is you're going to jump on your phone. That's right. You're going to go to your Google Home app. And once you go to the Google Home app, you'll find a button that says the name of your TV or whatever you named it, and you go to ambient mode. And once you go to ambient mode, you go to Google Photos. So that way you change it from the preset things that's on there, and then you can click on whatever Google Photo albums you uploaded just now. As you can see, I have my art gallery there, and then I have my photos I just uploaded. And it's that easy. Now you can see this is my TV. That's the images I just uploaded, and now you've created and finalized. Whoop! I just fell. Finalize your Google album. It's super simple, it's super easy. Now, if you want to get my art onto your TV, just like you had it there, it's very beautiful and very, it sets the mood just right for any party or get together or just, background images. It can be really revealing. You can go to my website, andrepsyche.com, and I include about 50 images. Now, they're meditation images. This is what I use them for. You can sit there and they're truly psychedelic, psyche, mind, delia to reveal. And you sit there and spend time with these images and tell you a lot about yourself. You can check it out on my website, get it loaded up, and you can put it on your own TV and enjoy it for a lifetime, honestly. You can do whatever you want. And then at that point, you will see that your guests might be very happy to spend more time at your home. Let me know if you need any further help. Let me know if this is clear, if you need any sort of clarity. But that's as far as this goes. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great time and enjoy your new digital portrait picture frame. Bye! Please remember to subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. That way I know I can make more videos just like this. Remember, this is a two-way communication. I just don't make videos for myself. I make it from you guys. If you find it useful, please let me know. Please leave a comment, and I will continue to make videos that you find value in. Thank you very much. Again, remember to subscribe and leave a comment, leave a like, share with your friends, and I will see you in the future. Bye-bye.